Mamma mia ragazzi, so simple, so full of taste, so easy, but not so easy to make. 大家好，我是 Chef Paulo. How are you guys? Today is a really special day. I'm in my restaurant Roma because today I'm gonna show you the most famous pasta recipe from Roma. Cacio e Pepe, pecorino cheese and black pepper. Super simple, super easy, but super difficult to make. Because at the end of the day, it's only one ingredient, pecorino romano. You see? This is amazing aged pecorino cheese from sheep we're gonna use to make an amazing cream for our pasta, cacio e pepe. So, what we have? The best pasta to make cacio e pepe is tonnarello. This is a homemade tonnarello pasta. It's a pasta made only with flour and water. I will show you the recipe next video how to make it super nice pasta sauce with this pasta. So, first thing first, we have a few steps, but you need to follow me super attention. So, our water is boiling. What we do? We add, as usual, 1 tablespoon of salt in our boiling water. Once the water is boiling, we're gonna add our tonnarello. Let's say to make a tonnarello well cooked, it takes around 5-6 minutes, but we always need to try. Tonnarello in the boiling water. In the meantime, first step, we start to toast our black pepper. We open the fire, let's say medium fire, and we put only some black pepper in our pan, and we let it really gently toast. I already can smell the amazing taste of this black pepper. Mamma mia ragazzi, it's super difficult because at the end of the day we're gonna make the cream with pecorino cheese only with the boiling water. Let's check our tonnarello. It releases all the amide in the pasta. That is gonna help us to make a perfect cream. It's super difficult but super delicious. In Roma we love this simple pasta. As you can see, our black pepper is toasted. Now we start to add some boiling water. Look at this. We start to make a really nice cream. You see how it's making a really nice black pepper cream? Let it toast. Mamma mia guys, the smell of this toasted black pepper is amazing. Look at how it's boiling and toasting. Wow. We turn the fire a little bit down now, and we keep letting it toast and melt the black pepper in our boiling water. Our pasta is almost ready. We don't like overcooked pasta, okay? Must be perfectly cooked. Let's see. Time to add the pasta in this amazing cream. We start to finish to cook the pasta in this amazing cream, guys. We add some boiling water. This is the secret to make a perfect cream with our pecorino cheese. We are proud of this pasta in Roma because, you know, we're Roman people, we are proud of our cuisine, and this pecorino cheese is made only in Roma. Alright, let's start to jump a little bit, up the fire a little bit, and add our other boiling water. Now when the cream of the black pepper is like this, a little bit liquid, we start to add a little by little our pecorino cheese. All around, all around. We first mix like this. Look, such an amazing cream is coming. It's reducing little by little, guys. We don't need to be fast here, we need to be patient. Otherwise, it's not gonna become nice. Now, other pecorino cheese. Here we are. Look, such an amazing cream is coming. Wow, oh my God. Let's start to jump a little bit. You see the consistency of the cream? Wow. A little bit more pecorino cheese. And jump. here we are. Our cacio e pepe now, it's perfectly ready to be baked. Follow my steps and you're gonna love it. Make it at home, and of course, thank you very much to be with me. Thank you very much to be with Chef Paolo, and of course, next time, next recipe. Se vedremo.